Thursday, November 6th, 2008.
911 emergency, Gutierrez.
I'm out here on the beach by the Santa Monica Pier, and there are two military jets buzzing it. I mean, we're coming in close. They're maybe 10 feet above it.
Oh, 10 feet above the beach?
The pier. They're buzzing the pier. I don't see any markings underside, but these are definitely military jets. And I've never seen this before, and not quite sure what.
Okay. Santa Monica Police Communications, Gutierrez.
Yeah, hi. I'm just calling to let you guys know there's a bunch of us standing on Santa Monica Beach, and we just saw a jet plane flying very, very, very low to the water.
Okay, yeah, we're getting several calls on that.